Wait, it didn't start. Okay, there we go. Now.
This is a CPU. A CPU is also known as the Central Processing Unit. It's made by AMD and Intel. And it's like the quad core, the I-core, and that kind of stuff. So this goes right here, right there, and it's supposed to stick in, but these little things aren't very lined up. So there we go, right there.
So first of all, this is the power supply. It plugs into the motherboard.
This little
And it basically
green chip
powers the computer.
right yonder
Very cool.
is
Very cool.
the RAM memory. This particular chip has 2 gigabytes of memory, and this is your memory when the computer is on.
This.
When the computer is on and running, you should have, normally you should have like 4 gigabytes of RAM memory. Yes, in a computer.
Make sure you change hard drives so you keep all your.
It's the temporary storage of the computer, because it only stores memory while the computer is on. Yes, okay.
This is the hard drive,
So this
and what I mean, I have to plug it.
plugs in right.
I don't know what, like, here. I'll do that later.
All right.
This is the power supply.
Very nice.
So for the power supply, you have to plug it into everything. So every little thing gets the power it needs.
And for more, like, if you want to build a house, you need a lot nicer one than this. But basically,
Just gonna plug it in, and what it does is it gives power to all the things that I'm plugging into, so that they can run correctly, and so that they can run when the computer is on.
Okay, Marls. What?
And I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it into everything so that we can be all set.
This is a CPU. Really? So this is by Intel. There's another CPU by AMD.
I got the
And that's used for gamers like the one to play like Halo and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Processes the computer, CPU, computer processing unit. Brain of the computer.
So,
quote,
our
unquote,
lovely,
you put it
what did
right
that just
here,
do?
And normally you would have something to cool it off, and Helen will tell you all about that.
Okay, so
This is our lovely video card. What the video card does is, this is for like graphics. So any standard computer, if you want to play video games or games on a computer, has one of these. But if you want to be like a hardcore gamer, or you want to create video games, you would need one of these with a lot more storage space, so you can have multiple programs running at once. And it just inserts right here, and there we are. Video card.
And the video card is like the display card, the graphic cards, or like the graphics adapter. Like those are the other names it's called.
is there a RAM memory in this? Or is there
Plug it in right there. And that's where you plug your like things in, your plugs and stuff. Alright, so this
But like, of course, they don't use like big hard
looks like a belt, but no, it's a plug. It's like
up
a,
in the front.
it's a plug. So what you do is
So put this in.
you plug it in to the
Usually they're little tricky.
motherboard.
So it's hard to take
Get it.
an unhealthy amount. Oh, what do you know? Sorry, I'm too good at computers. All right, Helen's gonna tell you
Terrible.
about
No.
Maybe it's this side.
something you put in for CDs. Let's go, Helen.
Okay, this is the CD-ROM.
Amy.
It's in.
No, it's,
Discs,
no, it's not. It's like shoved in.
CDs.
So
Here,
like,
hand
if
to
I
me.
watch a favorite movie, which is like
Stop it, you're breaking it. Stop.
Oh, maybe because this one.
I put that in.
Yes, you put in here.
There. Okay, it goes into there, into the motherboard,
Okay, so you put that in there, and
just like that,
put it in,
and then
basically,
you're gonna
goes.
It goes. It works.
So how do you plug it into the
And then you're gonna plug it into
So basically, this
The hard drive.
the hard drive,
plugs in.
like so.
Right.
Oops, it keeps coming out. It's because the little needles are broken. That's
Tricky.
It's alright, take your time. We're pros. People respect us.
And we're gonna say that's plugged in because the needles in there are broken. That's why
It's okay.
it's plugged in. Alright.
Alright.
Okay, and so then there's a cord right so,
What
where you
is this?
plug in
This
the
is
CD-ROM.
The cable.
The cable.
So everything is all attached
I got this one.
What is
and
it?
working together harmoniously.
You hear that? It's like, oh, it's internet, duh. But no. People with bliss can pronounce that. Anyway, the Ethernet is a cable that connects your computer to local networks of.
Okay, this is, again, not plugging in due to needle.
Yeah.
That sucks. Okay, plugged in.
I need Ethernet.
So,
Like, we need gossip. We gossip.
this is the fan. It is used to cool down the CPU
Anyway, so
unit
that's our video.
because
Yay!
it is prone
Thank
to
you
getting
for watching. Have a very nice day.
overheated
Happy Monday.
easily.
Woo!
That's not us, sorry.
Woohoo!
Hey, y'all, we're making a video.
Mr. Bergman, never video.
It gets overheated, so that's what this little doohickey does. It cools down because it fans the air out. This is the Ethernet cord. I'll do the Ethernet. The Ethernet is actually it's a family of computer networking technologies in local area. And you mumbled that. Say it again. You heard me. It heard me. Say it again.
I hate myself.
Here, I'm gonna let you plug that in while I explain it one more time. The Ethernet is, well, that's the Ethernet cable. It's a family of computer networking technologies for the local area networks. And if we can find the plug. Got it. So it plugs in right so, and it's for local wireless connections. And you just can plug that into the computer so that you can get the local. And then,
That is all.
that's basically it. Oh yeah, and did we explain the hard drive?